How to fix this account can't use WhatsApp. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your WhatsApp and then press agree and continue here. So the next thing you want to do is click on the three dots at the very top and then go ahead and click on help. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and describe your problem right here and say that I am not able to log into my account even though there is no valid reason for that. So please help me to recover my account as soon as possible. And then once you type that in, you can add a screenshot if you want, and then go ahead and press next. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on contact support via, and you can click on your Gmail. So then you can just send it by clicking on this arrow button right here to the Android support WhatsApp, and then your problem should be solved within a few days.